Everyone, this is Komal from Ashirvad Jaipur. We are back with our all new collections. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960-226588. I repeat, 960-226588. This is our one and only number on which we take orders. So let's start with our first design. Today I'm going to give you many designs in cotton and you will fall in love with these designs. So this is in slub cotton. See the very nice and elegant embroidery on the neck, embroidery on the sleeves, little baggy sleeves. This is slub cotton, very nice cotton fabric, slub cotton pants, and see the mal dupatta with this. This is mal full dupatta with the crochet retailings. We have two colors in this. One is pink and second is black. मेरे सारे कस्टमर्स नाराज हो रहे हैं बिकॉज हम उनको 46 साइज नहीं दे सकते, तो इस बार मैं सब में 46 लाई हूँ. सो प्लीज डू चेक, वी हैव ऑल मोस्टली ऑल इन 46 साइज अवेलेबल. दिस इज इन दिस साइजेस आर 38 to 46 and the price is only 1995. Only 1995 is the price for this. This is the second design, again in slub cotton, with see the beautiful and elegant embroidery on the neck. See the embroidery all over. This is slub cotton fabric, slub cotton pants, and pure mal full dupatta with this. This is the dupatta. Again, sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1995. You all have to just take a screenshot and send us on 960-226588. This is the third design, again in slub cotton, with see the embroidery, buttons, and see the beautiful pockets on both the sides. This is very nice designer item in slub cotton again. And in this again, pants are slub cotton with the cut in the pants and pure malmal dupatta with block print. See the block print, pure malmal dupatta. Sizes are again 38 to 46 and price is 1995. I'm having a little problem in my throat, so please ignore. This is a block print kurta in cotton with handwork in the center, little sequence work on the top. Very nice block print suit with these block print pants, pure cotton fabric and pure cotton dupatta with this in block print. Sizes are 40 to 46. No 38 in this, 40 to 46. But if you people want, we can get it altered and send 38 also. Ready sizes are 40 to 46 and the price is only 1495. Again, this is a mal cotton suit. This is cotton malmal. See the beautiful print. See the crochet retailings with plastic mirror work and handwork in the center. See the crochet retailings on the side slits. These are the block print pants in cotton. And see the pure malmal dupatta with this. See the printing. The printing is very nice. In this we have two colors. One we have is black color. So we have two colors in this. One is pink and second is this black color. Sizes are 38 to 46. And the price is only 1695. 1695 is the price, 38 to 46. Now this is another design in cotton. Also in mostly all the designs we have pockets on both the sides. Just see like this. In this also we have got these pockets on both the sides. This is again a cotton suit with little handwork on the neck, plastic mirror work. This is again block print kurta, cotton block print pants, and see this cotton dupatta with this full dupatta. In this sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 1695 and we have two colors, mustard yellow and bottle green. Two colors in this, 38 to 46, 1695 is the price. Again a beautiful design, iska ek aur color. Again a beautiful design in cotton with see the crochet retailings and little handwork in the center. See the nice printing. These are very nice prints. once you order and wear ना, you will definitely fall in love. आज सुबह से हमको लाइव आना था, कल भी आना था, बट इतने कस्टमर्स हैं और सब लोग ये पीसेस जरूर ले जा रहे हैं. Everybody is buying this, so we have very less stock available. See the crochet detailings on the sleeves, cotton pants. जो भी आ रहा है उसको सच में ये बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लग रहे हैं. तो एक बार आप ऑर्डर करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली लव दिस फैब्रिक. दिस इज प्योर मलमल का दुपट्टा. वी हैव टू कलर्स, वन इज दिस पिंक एंड सेकंड इज दिस येलो. See the color combinations. Sizes are 38 to 46 and very reasonably priced. Only 1595 is the price. Only 1595. This is again a cotton kurta with see the embroidery and original mirror work. Sorry, plastic mirror work. Embroidery with plastic mirror work and crochet tailings. And in this again, we have pockets on both the sides with this embroidery on both the sides. With this, we have got these Afghani pants with crochet tailings, and again a malmal dupatta with this. Pure malmal dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46, and price is only 1895. Plus size. I will show you plus sizes also today. This is again a cotton suit with this handwork, polka dots. This is a polka dots little A-line suit. Just have a look. This is a little A-line suit with polka dots and work on it, and also pockets on both the sides. Again, on both the sides pockets are there. With this we have got these printed pants and see the mal dupatta. Pure mal dupatta with polka dots again. This is the dupatta. In this again we have two colors. This is little red, this is tomato red, and this is blue. So we have two colors in this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and price for this is 38 to 44. No 46 in this. 38 to 44 and 1695 is the price. Now this is again a suit in cotton with see the embroidery and beautiful neck. Just see the v-neck. It is covered from the top, so it is not deep, but it is very beautiful with see the embroidery all over. This is all embroidered with see the crochet tailings at the bottom. These are the cotton pants and pure malmal again dupatta with this block print pure malmal dupatta. See the beautiful suit. In this sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2295. Just see how beautiful this suit is. 38 to 46 and 2295 is the price. This is again a design in cotton with see the embroidery on the neck. This is bandage print with embroidery all over. The bootas are there embroidered with these cotton pants, and again pure malmal dupatta in block print. In this we have again two colors. One is this yellow and second is this pink color. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 1695 only. Again a block print suit in cotton with see the katha work. It has got a little katha work all over on the suit. See the nice printing. This is the block print pants and see the kota doria dupatta with this. This is a kota doria dupatta with this. So very beautiful dupatta. Sizes are 40 to 46 and the price is only 1495. Only 1495 with this kota doria dupatta. Now this is again a suit in pure malmal. This is a malmal suit in A-line. This is again a little A-line suit in cotton malmal with see the handwork and embroidery on the neck. See the nice block printing, crochet tailings at the bottom, pockets on both the sides with see these block print pants, Afghani block print pants and pure malmal dupatta with this. Full dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. This is for 1895. Again a suit in block print with see the handwork on the neck. ये color नहीं देना. This is a block print suit on Dobby fabric. This is cotton Dobby. This is again a little A-line suit. This is not a straight one, little A-line with the pockets on both the sides. Again pockets are there. See the crochet tailings on the sleeves, crochet tailings at the bottom of the kurta. Afghani pants. This is our hot selling suit, with this block print full dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. Only 1995 is the price for this. Now this is a frock suit. See this is not a full frock. See, this is not that kalidar frock, but this is again A-line, but the side slits are closed. So it is a frock suit with this embroidery and mirror work all over. These are all plastic mirror works. See the embroidery and pleats in the center. So this is a very nice designer suit, pure malmal fabric. Inner is attached with this. This is the cotton pants with this. Same color pants. And see the mal dupatta with this. This is the malmal dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1895 for this. Only 1895 is the price for this. Again a block print suit, anarkali, little anarkali, not that kalidar ones. See the crochet tailings and embroidery on the neck. See the nice different kalis. This is a different one and these are different. So it gives a very smart look. But see the crochet tailings. These are the printed pants with this. And printed dupatta with this. Pure cotton. Sizes are again 38 to 46 and the price is 1895. Now this is again a cotton suit with see the angrakha pattern. This is angrakha neck. This is a lace to tie. This is cotton angrakha with see the embroidery. This is all embroidery. And there is a cut at the bottom. Now this is a suit in chinon fabric with see the handwork on the neck. Little sequence work all over on the kurta. Inner attached, cotton inner with this muslin pants and pure chiffon dupatta with this border. Sizes are 38 to 44 and only 2695 is the price for this chinon suit. Only 2695. Now I'll show you few designs in Jimmy Choo fabric with see the handwork on the neck. See the beautiful printing. This is a very nice suit, one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite suit in Jimmy Choo fabric. Hot selling fabric of the season. With see the very nice katha print at the bottom. These are the pants and again Jimmy Choo fabric dupatta. I will quickly show you the dupatta properly because it is very nice dupatta. Just see the katha print dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2995. This is another design in Jimmy Choo fabric with see the neck work. This is also a very nice suit with little handwork on the neck. See the cotton inner attached. These are the pants and this is the same fabric Jimmy Choo dupatta. So these are very beautiful suits. Sizes are 38 to 44 and 2995 is the price. 2995 is the price for this. Now this is again a cotton suit. Now this is a spaghetti one as many customers are demanding. Many customers are wanting these spaghetti wala suit. So in block print we have made this. This is a spaghetti suit in cotton. Straight suit, block print with these block print pants. See the beautiful cut in the pants. This is the cut in the pants. So block print kurta, block print pants and block print dupatta with this. In this we have two combinations. Like, see, this is the kurta and the pants are different. And another one is the same print in the kurta and the pants are different with the cut. So two prints in this with the dupatta. Mal dupatta in both. Sizes are 38 to 44, 46, 38 to 46, and only 1695 is the price. Only 1695 is the price for this. Now I'll quickly show you plus sizes suits. This is a cotton plus size kurta with, see, the little handwork on the neck. And this is the cotton pants. In this, sizes are 46 to 52. These are plus sizes suit, 46 to 52. Handwork, little crochet tailings on the sleeves. And this is the cotton dupatta with this. We have two colors in this. One is this blue. Second is this lilac color. Sizes are 46 to 52 and the price is only 1695. Now this is another print, another design in 46 size with, see, this crochet lacing and sequence work on the neck. These are the cotton pants. These are very nice suits, very nice suits for summers. And this is the cotton dupatta with this. We have two colors again, pink and lilac color. So two colors in this, pink and second is this lilac color. Sizes are 46 to 52 and the price is only 1695. Now this is the third print in cotton with, see, the embroidery and handwork on the neck. This is very nice white base block print suit with these ikat print pants and, see, this dupatta, cotton dupatta with this. Sizes are again 46 to 52 and the price is 1695. Two colors, white with pink and white with this lilac, again purple lilac color. 46 to 52, 1695 is the price. And the last design, I think, in this plus sizes, this is again a cotton print with this mirror work and sequence work on the neck. Very nice print in cotton with these cotton pants. And this is the cotton dupatta with this. Sizes are 46 to 52 and 1695 is the price. Now I'll quickly show you few corsets. This is again a corset in cotton with buttons and collar neck, and, see, the pant. Now I'll quickly finish up with this video. This is a cotton kurta and cotton pants, short and a pant. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 1195. I'll quickly show you the prints in this. One is this. Second is this print with the buttons in the center. Collar neck. This is the pant. 38 to 44 and 1195 is the price. This is the third print. There is a zigzag print with this short. There is a cut in all the pieces. There is a cut. This is the pant. 38 to 44 and 1195 is the price. Now few designer pieces in these quad sets. This is the pant. This is the shirt. But see the embroidery all over from bottom to till end with this cut work. Inner is attached. And see the embroidery on the sleeves. Sizes are 38 to 44 and 1695 is the price. We have two colors. One is this purple color and second is this greenish yellow color. This is not proper yellow mustard. This is greenish color. Sizes are 38 to 44 and 1695 is the price. Another design in this quad set. This is the pant and this is the kurta. With, see, this patchwork all over with this crochet tailings. This is the patchwork. This is the crochet tailings at the bottom. Inner is attached. Sizes are 38 to 44 and only 1595 is the price. This is the third design in this quad set. This is a green color pant. This is the top with this embroidery in the center. These are all muslin fabric quad set. 38 to 44, 1595 is the price, and this is all embroidered with these buttons. 1595 is the price for this. 38 to 44. This is again a quad set in pink color. This is the pant in muslin fabric. This is the top with this cut work in the center, and these are the buttons in the center for the show. These can't be opened. This can be opened till here only. Collar neck. This is the cut work. Inner is attached. 38 to 44, 1595 is the price, and two colors, pink and yellow. 38 to 44, 1595. Now this is a Leheria print quad set in muslin fabric. This is muslin fabric pants and a little loose peplum style kurta with this belt to tie and these buttons in the center. 38 to 44 is the size and 1195 is the price. Only 1195 is the price for this. You can tie this belt in the center and at the back also. In muslin, 38 to 44 and 1195 is the price. Now I'll quickly show you few tops, few Leheria kurtis, and then we'll end up. This is just a top. See the beautiful, this is a Gajji silk fabric top. Very, very nice soft fabric. In this, sizes are 38 to 44 and this is for only 1195. This is Gajji silk fabric, 1195. Sorry, 1095. 1095 is the price for this top. 38 to 44. And these are all cotton tops, 38 to 46, and only 495 is the price. I'll quickly show you the prints and the colors in this. This is one print and two colors. Just see, this is the first print and two colors. 38 to 46, 495. You all can take the screenshots. 38 to 46, only 495. This is the second print. In this we have three colors. Iska third color. In this we have three colors. See, one is this green, second is this grey, and third is this onion pink. 38 to 46 and only 495 is the price. These are shirts, very, very beautiful shirts for summers. You all will fall in love once you wear. 38 to 46 and only 495 is the price. And this is another print. In this also we have single color. In this we have single color, 38 to 46, buttons in the center, little cut in the center. This is a proper shirt style and only 495 is the price. Now this is another print in white. See the nice print with buttons in the center. 38 to 46 and only 495 is the price. And this is the last print. In this, only single color, 38 to 44 and only 495 is the price. Now I'll quickly show you Leheria kurtis. In this we have sizes from 38 to 52. In this we have sizes from 38 to 52, all sizes available. And 38 to 44 is 795. 46 to 52 is 895. So this is a Leheria kurti with this handwork and embroidery on the neck. 38 to 44 and 46 to 52. 795 and 895. Four colors, grey, blue. Every day we are selling many kurtis, many. Pink and green with little handwork on the neck. So four colors in this, 795 and 895, two prices. Now this is a Leheria suit with this crochet tailings and little plastic work on the neck. See the crochet tailings at the bottom. This is a cotton, pure cotton suit in Leheria with this pants, cotton pants. And see the beautiful dupatta with this in cotton. See the designer dupatta also. Sizes are 38 to 44 and prices 1795. We have single color in this. Single color 38 to 44 and 1795 is the price. Another design in Leheria. Another design in this leheria. See the embroidery. This is again angrakha, but this is a closed kurta. This is the angrakha pattern. This is just a pattern, it is not open. This is a normal kurta. Side slits, normal. Leheria kurta. Pants in cotton. And again, this is the dupatta. We have two colors in this. This is a red and second is this purple. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 1895. And these are the kurtis again in leheria. Cotton with this gotapatti work on the neck. Proper leheria. 4 colors, yellow, pink, red. This is a leheria season going on, so giving you many designs in leheria, red and green. But we have very limited stock and bookings are open for the wholesalers and the retailers all. So you all have to book it fast. Green, red, pink and yellow, 38 to 44 and only 595 is the price. Only 595 is the price. At the end, the one I am wearing, iska sample. At the end, the one I am wearing, just have a look. Vora Manish, piche dekho. Just have a look at this piece. See the beautiful neck. Very nice designer neck. With see the print. I just love this print. In Jaipuri block print we have. This is the kurta. We have work on the sleeves. I will quickly show you the suit. Just see. This is a little A-line suit in cotton block print. With this work on the neck. Cotton ki kurtis bhi to thi. See the block print suit in A-line. This is the pant with this in block print. And this is the dupatta with this. Again in cotton block print mal dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1995. We have many more designs to show you, but then can't make this video so long. So we have to end up today. And the rest of the designs will show in the another video if we are available with the stock. So let's end up with this video. Crochet tailings on the sleeves. 38 to 46 is the size and 1995 is the price. Thank you so much everyone. I repeat, our one and only number on which we take orders is 960-2265-888. Thank you so much everyone.